So I'm in Indonesia on vacation, and I drove past Alphamart, and of course I had to get the figures. And now I'm gonna do an unboxing video so you can see if I get myself as well. Oh, Rido, the first one. I have to do the second one. Ha! I got it!
Papa!
Yes, that's Papa already. That's already Papa with Indonesia. Do you wanna get it? I will give it to you after the video, okay? Now we're done. I got mine. I got mine. Third one. Kelvin for Donk. Kella. Struik. Can you say strike? Ooh, I got a goalie. Maarten. You want Maarten? You met Maarten as well, eh? You remember in football? Nathan. Nathan Chuaon.
You like Nathan?
You like Nathan?
Yeah.
I got J.
Bang J.
Bang J. Mace. I got Mace. Mace with a better haircut here than in real life. Who else we got? We got Marcelino. Oh, I need him. Marcelino, I just said it. I wanted him. Oh, I got a secret edition. Ifariena, secret edition. Which one is this? Oh, I got myself away as well.
Wow.
That's really funny. I got myself home and away. Terima kasih.